Welcome back. We have a PlayStation 4 controller for repair. Typical drift on the one of the joysticks. We're going to be replacing what you see in the picture, the potentiometer. This one's drifting left, so what's going to be replaced is going to be the left and right potentiometer on that angle, which is this one here. Right there. We're going to be desoldering that, and I'm going to try to remove this by not desoldering this. I really want to do a quick job and see if it works fine, if I don't have to desolder that, okay? So we're going to do it real quick. We're going to start by applying some heat on there and removing that potentiometer and then replacing it. We're going to do it by heating up the side and sucking that solder out. That one came out completely, and the other one, we'll see. That one is good. Looks like there's a little bit of solder in here, but we'll try it again. Let's see if we can get that out now. So I'm going to turn this and unlock it from here. Let's see if I can turn it over. Maybe we can wiggle it out carefully. Maybe we have to add a little more solder to remove it. Let's do that. So we're going to go ahead and apply some leaded solder. And then suck it up with the sucky thingy pump. We can use solder braid, desolder braid, but this is a lot faster. And this usually works pretty good for me. That looks pretty good. We're going to attempt to remove it again. And it came out perfectly, as you can see in the picture there, or the video there. So this is the potentiometer that we're going to replace. You see, this one here looks pretty used. Okay, so we went ahead and removed it, and as you can see here, you can tell that this is pretty worn out. Let's open it up, see what it looks like inside. Even a little bit of residue there, maybe a little bit of oil. Maybe even cleaning this with some alcohol would work, but we're going to go ahead and replace it after all with a new one. And this should take care of any issues we might have. Okay, so carefully put it in there. This will go in like this. Bear with me with the camera. Snap it in place. Let me see if I can zoom out. That snapped in place perfectly. Movement is good. Now let's go ahead and solder. We'll do that. Let me see if I can adjust the camera better. That's better there. So let's go ahead and solder this and test the device. I'm not going to show you guys how to test it, but this fixes 95% of this issue. I had a controller one day where no matter what I did or replaced, it was always just drifting to the right. So I assumed that it was probably like a software or chip issue. It's not worth fixing it. I mean, not me. I wouldn't touch it. I spent like an hour on it and I couldn't get it to work. So we just replaced the motherboard. Anyways, this one looks good. So that's it, guys. This is pretty simple, straightforward repair. Like and subscribe. We appreciate that very much. If you guys need any help, use the comments, or even better, use our website, wayayeo.org. If you subscribe on our website, we're giving away $50 towards any repair, and the $50 does not expire, will not expire, so you can come back anytime and apply that coupon towards any installation of a HWFly or HDMI repair or laptop repair, whatever you guys need. Thank you guys for watching. Much appreciated. We'll upload more videos as soon as we can. Like and subscribe. See you guys next time.